So, dear friends, one video I have already made in Hindi language for Hindi spoken, and now this one is for English spoken students on international level. Especially one student requested from Nigeria, Mr. Dogban. So on his request, I am going to make this video as how to repair your domestic electrical wiring works with complete safety. You can be a very good electrician for your home. You should have a habit. If you are a technical guy, non-technical guy, hardly matter. A little bit work you can do. Simply use plier, screwdriver, tester, insulation. And in Corona period, sometimes you don't find electrician. You don't get material in the market, shops are closed. So always keep some tools with you and some related material like socket, plug, switch as per the model of your home. Some spare parts always there should be. And it is very easy if you will follow complete safety, no risk to work with electrical repairs. So today I will tell you first about the safety, then about the tools, then about how the wiring diagram, that how the wires flow in the diagram from main DB to MCB, MCB to your room. So I will take an example of a room. You will watch this animated video also at the end of this video. So guys, this is a request of electric uncle. The name is given by my students. So let us start, and kindly share my videos so that the needy people, they get it. Subscribe it to get my future videos. Always push bell icon for the notification of my coming videos. Like and dislike, it depends on you. If you like it. If you don't like it. So do it for the needy peoples, not for me. I want an electrician to be in every home during this Corona period. Similarly, you can do plumbing works also. So that video I will make next time, sometime. So that small works you should not depend. You should not sit in dark in the night. No electrician, no material, no tools. So please, safety I will let you know. 100% safe you can work. So let us proceed. In your hands, at least one in one hand can be left hand, so that your body should not come in touch with anything, should not get earth. Always wear rubber shoes while working. Number 3, check your DB inside your house. Each MCB should be marked with the location for which it is. For example, drawing room, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, kitchen, AC, etc. This will help you to easily separate and close a particular damaged part of your home. Number 4, check the color coding of face. It should be red, yellow, or blue wires. For three phase, red, yellow, blue. If there is one phase, use red wire only. Green plus yellow wire for earthing. Black wire should be used for neutral. Always follow color code in electrical bulbs, so you will not get confused. Just by the color, you will be alert. If it is red, be alert. Red wire, number 5. Red wire should always be connected to MCB. Never connect neutral, that is black wire, to MCB. Only phase should always come from MCB, not neutral. Neutral should come from the link. If you will reverse it, even after putting it off your MCB, there will be current in your socket, plug, or somewhere in the switch. You will think that you have put off the MCB and there will be no current. Some electricians used to make such mistakes. That is very risky. So take care for that. Phase should come through MCB. Next, number 6. Check that each device should be connected to earthing wire, green or yellow green. All equipment like AC, cooler, washing machine, fridge, microwave, exhaust fan, etc. should be interpreted to save lives. This is wrong something. Should be earthed to save lives from short circuit currents. On this I was in a hurry, so I will change it. When you will find in PDF, it will be should be earthed to save lives from short circuit currents. MCB should be off when there is a short circuit. Earthing wire must be connected to save human beings. Now, this is ELCB. Beside MCCB, molded case circuit breaker, that is the main circuit breaker. From outside, from the meter, the phase and neutral come to that. This is earth leak circuit breaker with the main breaker in DV. If there is a short circuit, ELCB should trip because of earthing wire. Check the wire size for various devices. Now, if ELCB is there now, what will happen, Even someone will try to use earth as a neutral to light up something, to start something. The ELCB will never allow it. It will trip itself. It will not allow to do you wrong work. So check the wire size for various devices. Wire sizes must be checked. Doesn't mean on 2.5 mm wire, a thin wire, you put AC on that. It will heat up, burn, can cause a fire case, fire hazard. So wire size must be according to the load, as how many amperes it is drawing. Now, to change sockets, plugs, switches, etc., switch off MCB before starting any repair work. Always keep the phase at one side in all your sockets. Either connect to the left or right hand side. Should be the same for all sockets. So these things I will repeat it again in the next step when I will tell you showing a diagram how it will. So now we will move to the animated wiring. This diagram is plier. So but here I need not to say too much. Very useful. You need